morning! What's Pandy shouting at me? What are you saying? Good morning. It's an overcast day here in Orlando and we're leaving one hotel, moving on. And we are moving on to the next hotel. So we're in the Ramada Plaza. Just wanted to show you again the benefits of a club suite here at the Ramada Plaza. So if you pay extra, you can use the facilities and have a bigger room. So the club suite has a kitchen area, which I shall video quickly for you after this short video up here, and a bedroom. And then you can have the use of this from sunrise to sunset. Actually, this area does close at 8. Saying that, it does close at 8. You've got a pool that you can use just for club suite guests, and a hot tub over there as well, which is really nice. And then you've got the pool towels are here. You've got access if you're in a wheelchair. There's a shower up there as well. Here are the towels. Last call for drinks will be at 7:45. There you go. But this is all included. We do leave like a $1 tip or a couple of dollars tip per drink that we have, but that's up to you how much you leave. So you've got Modelo, Heineken, Coors Light, Yingling, red wine, white wine, rosé wine. They also do from 5 till 6:30 nachos with cheese, which is really nice, and popcorn as well. Then they have pizza from 5 till 6. Normally Domino's, but other brands might be available, and chips, which is crisps to us lot in the UK. So, and they also have free cookies and fruit, and it's just amazing value, which is why here is our favourite hotel. Over here you can see the theme parks. So what we do each morning is we walk out of the hotel, which is just down here, up along there until you get to just there, which is the parking garage entrance for Surfside, Universal Endless Summer Surfside. We go through the garage, follow around the front of the hotel until you come round to the side, and then they do free shuttle buses back and forth every 10 minutes to the park, to Universal Studios, Volcano Bay, Epic, and City Walk as well. The stop you'll need to get off at is City Walk, but that's Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure and City Walk are in the same spot. Yeah, so you go up, you go through City Walk, you turn right for Universal Studios or left for Islands of Adventure. But yeah, it's brilliant. Then also you get all this space to yourselves. There might be a Pandy, you might see him. There's the restroom at the back, and then see if I can show you the gym. Fitness centre open 6 AM till 8 AM. You use your room key to get in. They have water fountains here. Oh, they also do, I forgot to mention, the free soda as well. So if you don't want to drink alcohol, obviously you can drink soda. So in here is another restroom for the gym area, more water, and then these, I have no idea what this equipment is called. I think one might be a cross runner, running machine, and weights. And they've got a lovely view then of just down here, that building there with the blue tint to it. That's Murphy's Bar. Now Murphy's Bar is fantastic. It's family friendly. They do quiz nights, they do karaoke nights. The staff are amazing, they're wonderful. We're so lucky they've become really good friends of ours. Chris and Anya run that, and the other staff who work there are brilliant, amazing. And then this is Gator Golf. So Gator Golf is right opposite Murphy's. yeah, and then you can see in the distance the Volcano Bay, and then further on down Pizza Hut. All this is in walking distance. The Titanic Experience. A little bit further on down there will be Coco Key, where you can stay. That's a hotel quite popular with the Brits as well. So yeah, so that's your little tour of upstairs. If these are for club suite guests only, if you don't want to pay to be a club suite guest, you can sometimes, depending on where your room is, pay an extra $25 per person to come up and use the facilities around you. So definitely worth it. We're looking forward to staying here again in 4 weeks. We'll be back for 2 weeks then. So yeah, we might catch you there. So this is room 1123. It's one of the suites here in the Ramada Plaza. It normally looks better than this. We are actually checking out today and into a different hotel, which is why we've got our cases here ready. But in this room, you've got your own TV. You've got a bed settee. Now that comes out, it's a tiny bit bigger, I would say, than a single, but definitely not a double. When our friend Mickey stays over, he sleeps along there because he said it's more comfortable than getting the bed out. But there is a bed under there. Then you've got a half fridge here, there, a coffee making machine, sink, little cooker, 2-thing cooker, a microwave and some cupboard space, and some seating, a seating area there. Also, if you ask for a kitchen set, they'll bring you up a big box, and I'll have inside, there's normally washing up liquid and pots and pans for you to cook. So that's really good. You've got an internal door here. If you're a family, you've got wardrobe space in here, there. You've actually got robes up there, which I've only just noticed. So I don't know how long they've been giving us robes for. An extra bedding for the bed settee there. And then this is the bathroom. And the shower. The shower's been great. The shower's been really good. Quite powerful, very warm. So there's the shower area. There's also a jacuzzi bath, which I've never ever tried out. So I don't know whether that works or not. And then a huge mirror. Hairdryer is there, and then this vanity area is quite nice. You have your own safe there as well. Another mirror just in case, and then look, there's another mirror there as well. And bless him, Pandy's made up quickly the 2 beds. We actually had a bed each last night. It was lovely. So yeah, this is the bedroom area then. So you've got space for your luggage there. And it's a nice big area, nice big space for you here, ideal for a family. So you've got your own TV here as well. And then our view was of Murphy's. So yeah, we were happy to have this view. Very happy indeed. Can you see? Oh, there's Coco Key in the distance, the water slides there, the one I was talking about. All this area used to be a racetrack. Can't remember, something motor, like with little go-karts. But it's a shame that at the moment there's nothing there. And there is another Irish bar up there which we've never been to. We have tried once or twice, but it's always been closed. So yeah. Sad to be checking out, but looking forward to going on our next adventure, which is at the moment to a different hotel called Dask. We booked in from Wednesday the 11th of February until Monday the 16th of February. We stayed a total of 5 nights. So we paid in total through booking.com £607.19, which equates to $819.24. which equals £121.44 per night. That's for both of us, or $163.85. And for that we had breakfast, which everyone gets who stays there, and a club suite, which is a bigger room. We had the drinks for 8 hours a day. We had the food and the snacks from 5 till 6:30, and of course the use of the club areas, which was the gym, the SkyBar, the pool and the hot tub. What a bargain.